Another day, another English lesson. Reflexive verbs in English. Hello there. If you're learning English, you might have noticed some verbs that seem to reflect the action back to the subject, like she prides herself on her work, or they enjoyed themselves at the party. These are called reflexive verbs, and while English doesn't use them as often as some other languages, there are a few that you'll see again and again. What makes a verb reflexive? A reflexive verb is used when the subject and the object of the sentence are the same person or thing, and we show this with a reflexive pronoun: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. For example, I taught myself to play guitar. I taught me, same person. I taught me to play guitar. Incorrect. Must use myself. Verbs that are almost always reflexive. Some verbs almost always need a reflexive pronoun in English. Here are the most important ones. Pride oneself on something. To feel proud about something. She prides herself on being punctual. Avail oneself of something. To take advantage of an opportunity. Formal. He availed himself of the free training course. Absent oneself from something. To deliberately not attend. Formal. The manager absented himself from the meeting. Perjure oneself. To lie under oath in court, a legal term. The witness perjured herself during the trial. Comport oneself. To behave in a certain way. Formal. He comported himself with great dignity. Verbs that are very frequently reflexive. These verbs are often used reflexively, though sometimes the pronoun can be dropped if the meaning is clear. Enjoy oneself. To have a good time. They really enjoyed themselves at the concert. Behave oneself. To act properly. The kids behaved themselves at the restaurant. Apply oneself to something. To work hard at something. She applied herself to learning French. Prove oneself. To show one's ability. He proved himself in the competition. Why does this matter? Using these verbs correctly makes your English sound more natural. Some, like pride oneself, must have the reflexive pronoun, while others, like enjoy oneself, are just much more common that way. Now, watch and complete the sentences with the reflexive verb in parentheses and the correct reflexive pronoun. One, the chef. Maria prides herself on making fresh pasta by hand every day. Two, after a stressful week, Marcus availed himself of the hotel's free spa access. Three, the board members absented themselves from the final vote to avoid conflict of interest. Four, the witness risked serious consequences when she perjured herself in court. Five, even when she loses, Julia comports herself with style and grace. 6. We applied ourselves to the group project and finished ahead of schedule. Seven. The new employee. Hannah proved herself by resolving a difficult issue on her first day. Eight. One must learn to content oneself with small successes along the way. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.